Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the 3rd of March, which means it is Amaya Raine Day. I wanted to show her off one more time in her little green dress. This is the day that Dory's Dollies and I do Amaya Raine Day, and today's theme is green. And I had made this little green St. Patrick's Day dress for my other 24-inch Amaya Raine, and I put it on her with her new shoes. Darren has made new rubber soles for the 24-inch Amaya Raine dolls, and I really like them. So I made her some green shoes to go with her green dress, and today she gets her bath. This is the doll that I bought to cut her hair, and now I'm thinking I won't.
Surprise, surprise.
And because after I got it combed out, this was a mess. And I thought, oh, that's going to be all ruined and everything. It is not. It's gorgeous. She has less wear on her hair than a lot of people do. I'll tell you, it's just gorgeous. So I think I have something else planned for this doll. We'll see. She has a new stand and she's getting a new life. Thank you, Dory. Thank you, everyone that participates in Amaya Raine Day. And if you are participating today for Amaya Raine or any at all, Rainbow High or Shadow High doll, let Dory and I both know, let everybody know in their comments. Don't leave a link, just leave us a note that you too have an Amaya Raine Day video. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, Dory, for another month of fun. And don't forget that Dory and I also host on the 16th Dolls Gone Goth and on the 18th Hi Barbie. And you can use any Barbie on Hi Barbie Day, and you can use a Barbie on Dolls Gone Goth Day, because you can use any doll at all for Dolls Gone Goth. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.